Привет, привет, друзья! Как у вас дела? Hi guys! Just a quick video in English to let you know that I miss you and I am coming back, just not yet, because now I am preparing for my first performance on stage. Yes, I am going to sing on stage tomorrow, and I'll try to make a video of it so that you can see it. But as I said, I am coming back, don't worry, we're going to study the remaining 3 cases for sure, so don't worry about it. I will let you know when I'm back. And if you are a beginner, if you're still a beginner in Russian, since it's the holidays and Black Friday and so on, I'm offering you a discount on my audio course and my vocabulary MP3 files. So follow the link in the description. You will find this course with 70 to 80% discount, which is very, very large. So don't miss the chance to practice your Russian while I'm away. And I'll see you soon. Пока-пока!